The patron saint for today, May 19th, is Saint Ivo or Eve of Kermartin. He was born on October 17, 1253 at Kermartin, Brittany to a wealthy Breton noble family. He studied civil and canon law, philosophy and theology from age 14 in Paris and Orleans. Even though he possessed wealth, he lived as a Franciscan tertiary, wore a hair shirt under his clothing, frequently fasted, and cared for the poor and unfortunate. It is said that he kept as many as 7 orphans in his family manor of Kermartin. Ivo was a lawyer who practiced in both civil and ecclesiastical courts. He defended the poor without charging them, and ministered to them while they were in prison awaiting trial. He fought the state over taxes and the rights of the church. He was an incorruptible diocesan judge and refused bribes that were the order of the day. He worked to settle claims out of court so he could save the litigants time and money. Ivo was ordained a priest in 1284, and resigned his legal position in 1286 so he could tend to his parishioners. He was a noted preacher and arbiter, built a hospital from his own funds, cared for the poor who were in it, and gave harvests away from his own land to feed them. He was a miracle worker, feeding hundreds of people from a single loaf of bread. Ivo died from natural causes in Brittany on May 19, 1303 after giving a sermon on the eve of the Ascension. He was canonized by Pope Clement VI in June 1347. Ivo's gifts to the poor continued after his death as he left his manor to the poor. In fact, on the eve and day of his feast day, there were so many beggars present that no one knew how they were to be fed. But no matter how much food was taken from the kettles on the hearth, the kettles were miraculously replenished to the brim with good, nourishing soup. Saint Ivo is known as the patron saint of lawyers, judges, and orphans, in addition to being the patron saint of abandoned people, bailiffs, Brittany, canon lawyers, jurists, and notaries. Saint Ivo, pray for us.